Hello everyone. Today we're tackling a concern that many pet owners dread: Giardia in dogs. But don't worry. This is a common problem that has effective solutions. We'll go through everything step by step to get your dog back to tip-top health. Let's dive in. But first, what are the things you'll need to complete this task? For the full list and where to get them, check the description and pinned comment below. Now that you have all your tools and materials ready, let's get into it. Get rid of it! Step 1. Confirm the diagnosis. The first thing you'll want to do is confirm whether your dog has Giardia. To do this, you'll need to take a fecal sample to your vet for testing. Many veterinary schools, like Cornell University's College of Veterinary Medicine, assert that diagnosis through fecal tests is essential. How to collect a fecal sample. Use disposable gloves. Collect a small amount of your dog's feces using a poop scoop or similar tool. Place the feces in a clean, sealable plastic bag. Take the sample to your vet as soon as possible, ideally within 24 hours. Step 2. Start medication and diet change. Once your vet has confirmed that your dog has Giardia, they will usually prescribe specific medications like fenbendazole or metronidazole. According to the American Veterinary Medical Association, these medications are commonly used to treat Giardia in dogs. To complement the medication, switch your dog to a bland, rice-based diet or whatever diet your vet prescribes. This helps in controlling diarrhea and other gastrointestinal symptoms. Step 3. Hydration. Keep your dog well hydrated. Dehydration can be a risk due to diarrhea. Always provide fresh, clean water for your dog. If you're unsure about hydration levels, consult your vet. The University of Pennsylvania School of Veterinary Medicine stresses the importance of hydration in treating gastrointestinal issues. Step 4. Environmental cleanup. Giardia cysts can live in the environment, making reinfection possible. Use disinfectants that are effective against Giardia to clean your dog's living area, food bowls, toys, and other items. The Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, CDC, has a list of effective disinfectants for this purpose. Step 5. Follow up with your vet. After completing the medication cycle, go back to your vet for a follow-up fecal test to ensure that the Giardia has been eradicated. Step 6. Bath time. Last but not least, give your dog a good bath to remove any Giardia cysts from their coat. Many veterinarians, like those from Tufts University Cummings School of Veterinary Medicine, recommend bathing as a final step. How to bathe your dog. Fill a tub with lukewarm water. Using dog shampoo, lather your dog thoroughly. Rinse well to make sure all shampoo and cysts are removed. Towel dry your dog or use a pet-safe blow dryer. And there you have it. You now know how to effectively get rid of Giardia in dogs. Remember, these steps should be followed under the guidance of a qualified veterinarian. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe, share, and leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.